Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download VLC media player for your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So, in today's video, I'll show you right that. So now at first, just go ahead and open up your browser. Then on Google, just type download VLC and hit enter. Then just go to the first link. Then just click on download VLC. Give it some time, it will download the VLC installer file for you. And there you go. Just wait for the download to be completed. And after the download has been completed, just click on open file. Click on yes. You can minimize your browser now. Select your language from here. I'm just gonna select English and click on OK. Then just click on next. Click on next again. Select if you want to change anything. Then just click on next. Then just select where you want to install it and click on install. Then just wait, it will install the software on your system. Then you can take this run VLC media player and click on finish. Click on continue and there you go. You have successfully downloaded VLC media player. And basically that is how to download and install VLC media player on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.